What's up guys, it's Boopy here, and today we're going to be checking out something super exciting and super adorbs. We finally found new Disney Doorables Adoorbs. We've been looking for these for a long time, and we finally found them at Target. Let's roll the Target shopping montage. Wondering, well, why didn't you just order them on Amazon? Well, because these are special dolls. They have a code on the bottom to tell you which doll you're gonna get, which is super helpful so you don't get doubles. So I don't know about you, but I'm ready to get unboxing. And in case you're wondering which one I'm unboxing today, mine has a little teacup image as the code. Let's remove the front. And the box art on these are just so cute. Let's start with door number 1. Look at just how adorable these bags are. So cute. And inside, we have 2 VIP club cards. I'm pretty sure you're only supposed to get one of these. But we have this tag keychain that has a little flower on the top, and the keychain is a heart shape. And a lanyard for the doll to wear. Alrighty, door number 2. This is so exciting. I wonder which one we'll find next. Another cute bag. We have a cute pair of shoes, and they're really shimmery. And it looks like they have little Alice faces on them. Door number 3. We have a cute Alice in Wonderland Doorable. She's holding a paintbrush. Now this Doorable attaches to this tag keychain. How cute! And door number 4 is right below door number 3. Check it out, we have an umbrella. Let's do door number 5 now. You have to peel this. And let's reveal. Whoa! Check it out, this unfolds. For a cute backdrop. Now door number 6, time to reveal the doll. And we can't forget our VIP card. Get our adorable doll out of here. There's like a little backdrop back here too. And here's our doll. She is I just can't get over how cute she is. She has beautiful brown hair with pink highlights, and she has this big black and white bow in her hair. She's wearing this dress that really looks like Alice in Wonderland's dress. And she has painted on socks. Now this doll is very articulated, with movement at the head, the shoulder, the hip, and she can bend at the knee. She can rotate her ankle. And these dolls even come with a doll stand, which is super handy for taking photos. She can even hold the included umbrella. And here's a little look at the collector's guide with all the dolls that you can get. They have so many cute ones. And they even have their codes right below them. So if you cut this out, take it to the store, you can get the one that you want. And it looks like we found Anita. And when we were at the store, Chachi got one too. She got Ava, and she loves Donald Duck. Her accessory was a Donald Duck purse. And this is what her keychain looked like. I think these dolls are super cute. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you'd like to see some doll stories featuring Disney Doorables Adoorbs, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next video. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Boopy and Chachi's Toy Box. And we'll see you next time in the Toy Box. Bye!